Hello, welcome back. Today I filmed a wearable look inspired by the song Down Bad by Taylor Swift. Priming my eyelids with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. Starting out this look using the bronzer from the ColourPop, just a flush cheek palette, through the crease. Down Bad is a song about being so in love with someone, feeling like you've been love-bombed and abducted by aliens, just to be left back where they found you, sad and alone. Using the NYX glitter glue for a sticky base. Packing on the flaky blue-purple shifty eyeshadow from the Maven Beauty Cosmic Drip Stargate palette. This palette and the eyeshadow just fit the theme of space and vibe of the song. The imagery used in the Eras tour for the song is very spacey alien abduction vibes. The eyeshadow ended up being darker than it swatched, so I end up adding more depth to the outer corner. Going in the outer corner with the shade Noir from the e.l.f. Cosmetics, the new Classics palette. I really felt like this look needed more depth. Some cleanup. Using the matte nude shade Cream from the e.l.f. palette to soften the top edge of the shadows. Adding a really sparkly brow bone highlight with the ColourPop face palette. I wanted this whole look to be very sparkly and glittery because stars in the night sky tend to be almost sparkly, and I just love glitter. Priming my face with the Laura Geller Hydrating Spackle Primer. Products blend out so much better over a smooth base. Covering my dark circles and anywhere I want extra coverage with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. I'm not going for a super flawless base, but I do want some darkness and redness covered for a more put-together look. Mixing a third Revlon Colorstay foundation in 110 Ivory and 2/3 e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 to cover the rest of my face lightly. Going for a soft, glowy look with some of my freckles showing through. Setting my face with the Coty Air Spun powder in translucent with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Powder Puff, pressing in powder through the T-zone. Using a big fluffy brush to lightly set the rest of my face and dust away any extra powder. Framing the bottom lash line with the ColourPop bronzer. Going over that with the lid shade on a wet brush so I have more control over the placement. Highlighting the inner corner with the ColourPop face palette. Since this is a putty formula, it's a lot easier to manipulate it and get it to blend out without losing pigment. Bronzing with the ColourPop, just a flush cheek palette. I decided to really get my money's worth out of this palette. I probably should have gotten a darker one, but I was really drawn to the highlight shade. Using the blush shade in Sassy Pants, I'm really digging into it and it's just a flush of color. Highlighting with the highlight shade from the palette, using my fingers to melt it into the skin and have more control of where I want it. I'm just adding a ton of it at this point. I want a lot of shine. Melting the powders with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Setting the brows in place with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift for an all-day hold. Using the ColourPop X Lizzie McGuire Face and Body Glitter in Sing to Me Paolo. It's like the meme from Trolls World Tour.
I told you we needed more glitter.
Lining and tight. Lining my eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. Finishing off the eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. If you're wondering, does this whole woman's life revolve around Taylor Swift and her music? The answer is yes. It's fine. I've been a fan since the beginning. We're the same age and it feels like we've grown up almost linearly. Finishing the look by filling in my lips with the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind Cashmere Lip Pencil in Mocha. Topping it with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer in Black Cherry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.